This 1996 Porsche 911 Carrera is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 993 Carrera Cabriolet 6-speed manual transmission, 3.6L air-cooled 6-cylinder engine, power windows, guards, red exterior, beige leather interior, black convertible soft top floor mats, owner's manual, complete service records. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1996 Porsche Carrera Cabriolet is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.